What's up, y'all? Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this super easy glowy makeup look using exclusively Wet n Wild Beauty products. Special shout out to Wet n Wild Beauty for actually sponsoring this video and sending me the products I need to create this look for you guys. We are going to waste no time and we are going to hop right into it. So as you can see, I am starting off with freshly prepped skin, brows are done. I'm going to go ahead and grab my Wet n Wild Beauty Rose Primer Water, 3-in-1 Primer Water. You can actually use this to prep your makeup, set your makeup, or refresh it. And as you can see, I'm using it as a prep before applying this makeup. I'm going to go ahead and grab my Wet n Wild Beauty Photofocus Foundation Stick in the shade Amber. And I'm going to be applying this all over my face, as you can see I'm doing. And I must say, I'm really enjoying the effortless application that this Photofocus Stick Foundation is giving me. It's just so easy to apply it everywhere on my face. These Photofocus foundation sticks are actually infused with argan oil and sunflower oil, which I very much appreciate because my skin can get very dry. Also, I feel like it really helps me with achieving the glowy look that I like when it comes to my makeup. I'll be grabbing my Wet n Wild beauty sponge and blending that out. And of course, the beauty sponge is moist. It's wet, that way the foundation can blend out very flawlessly. I'm going to be grabbing that same Photofocus finish stick in the shade Amber, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my under eyes as well, just because I want to make sure my dark circles are very concealed. I'm also going to be grabbing that Rose Primer Water again, and I'm going to be spraying that directly on the beauty sponge and then blending out the foundation underneath my eyes. And as you can see, the foundation is applied everywhere, and I'm looking very skin-like. I love this foundation, so flawless. I'm gonna be grabbing another Photofocus Stick Foundation, this time in the shade Almond, and I'm gonna be using this as a contour, as you can see I'm doing. And I love the fact that these Photofocus foundation sticks actually come available in 20 shades because they have a wide variety for different skin tones. But in addition to that, I can grab one shade as a highlighting stick, one shade as a contour stick, one shade as a foundation stick. So you can get very versatile with these Photofocus foundation sticks. Before actually blending out this contour, I'm gonna grab that same Rose Water Primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and spritz it all over my face and then blend out, because once again, it just really helps with giving a flawless application. You'll actually see very frequently throughout my makeup application, I like to spritz my face down with rose water. I'm also applying a little bit of that contour color on my neck, right down my neckline, and blending that out as well. I'm going to be grabbing my Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink. I love the natural flush color that this blush gives me. And as you can see I'm applying this right on the top of my cheekbones. I'm also going to be applying a little bit to the tip of my nose. I'm going to be grabbing my MegaGlo highlighting powder in the shade Crown My Canopy. And I'm going to be putting that right on top of where I put the blush. And these MegaGlo highlighting powders are one of my favorite products from Wet n Wild Beauty. They just give such a beautiful luminosity to my skin. And this rose gold color is beautiful on top of a blush. I'm gonna be grabbing that same Photofocus stick in the shade Almond, and I'm gonna be applying this right in the crease of my eyelids, just to bring a little bit of depth to my eyelids. As you can see I'm blending that out. And I'll actually be grabbing a larger, fluffier eyeshadow brush and blending that out as well. On top of my eyes, I'll also be applying my Color Icon Multi-Stick in the shade Born With It on my eyelids. And I must say, I'm really loving these Color Icon Multi-Sticks. The silky formula just makes it so easy to apply on my lids. And these actually come available in 13 shades. Although I am using it on my lids, you can use these on your cheeks, your lips. You can get very versatile with it and have a lot of fun. I'm gonna be grabbing a fluffy shadow brush and just blending both those shades out. I'm also gonna grab that same color Icon Multi-Stick and apply a little bit underneath my eyelids as well, and then using a brush to blend that out. And we are gonna be finishing my eyes off with some mascara. I'm gonna be grabbing one of my favorite from Wet n Wild Beauty, which is the Mega Volume Mascara. And look at that brush. You see that application brush? Beautiful. You don't have to worry about a bunch of mascara being on it or anything like that either, where a bunch of it's getting on your face while you're applying it. My eyes are looking beautiful, lashes looking nice. I'm going to grab another highlighting powder by Wet n Wild Beauty. This one is called Blossom Glow. And before I actually apply it, I'm gonna go ahead and spritz down my face with a little bit of my Photofocus Rose Priming Water. And then I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush and go ahead and apply this MegaGlo highlighting powder to my high points. And these MegaGlo highlighting powders are one of my favorite products from Wet n Wild Beauty. They just give such a beautiful luminosity on the skin, as you can see. A lot of days I'll just apply it with no makeup on just because I love the glow that it gives me. And we're gonna finish this look off with a little bit of lipstick, of course. I'm gonna be using a lipstick from the Perfect Pout Lip Color collection by Wet n Wild Beauty, and this shade is called Ring Around the Rosy. I'm loving the pinkish cranberry vibe that it's giving me. It actually complements the eye look very, very well. This is a perfect color for fall. And to finish off this look, I'm gonna grab that same highlighting powder in Blossom Glow, and I'm actually gonna take a little bit of that and apply that to the inner corners of my eyes. I'm also gonna take a little bit on my finger and apply that right to the center of my lips. Just because I love the way this lipstick looks, but I wanna give it a little bit more of a luminosity, a little bit more of a glow. So I'm just applying that right in the center of my lips, as you can see I'm doing. And we are gonna finish this look off with my Photofocus Rose Prime Water. Yes, it feels so amazing on the skin, you guys. And there you guys have it. Super easy, glowy makeup look using exclusively Wet n Wild Beauty products. Now there will be a link listed below for you guys to purchase these same products to create your looks. And luckily Wet n Wild Beauty was kind enough to provide my followers with a discount code, which I'll list below in the description box for you guys. Now remember, you can go online at wetandwildbeauty.com to purchase your products, but you can also pick them up in Ulta or any major food and drug retailers. Remember guys, Wet n Wild Beauty is cruelty-free, they're vegan. I love Wet n Wild Beauty. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, bye.